God has been with us despite the challenges and tests that we've had to take. Lokho kuphela bekufuna ukusho namhlanje ukuthi wonke umuntu la mangathiwa ngithatha imic manje ngiyanikeza no wonke umuntu la unejeni nento ahlule kuyo engeyinhle, but all I know ukuthi God Emmanuel umfana wethu wesibili igama lakhe laseZimbabwe sidecide nje ukuthi kube igama laseZimbabwe uAnesu Mwale Anesu, simply ukuthi unkosinathi God is with us. Imphathe ngisho ngathi ugqugquzela kanjani, ngisho bangaze bathi abantu umkhese uNkulunkulu wakho because izinto zakhe zikhambele kahle. Abanye bezoze bathi khona umuntu obonayo ongakwazi ukutshela ngalezi. It's because ijeni ngaleso sikhathi you are on a crooked path, but what I'm saying is God is with you. Kule jeni from now 15 years going forward, into ezosenza sifike ku50 sifike 100 awubona amandla akuzona impurpose zethu. Into ezokwazi ukuthi sifike phambili ukwazi ukuthi yena ukhona. Uzasho njalo ukuthi singayakho uma singahambi nawe. Uma siphakathi singayakho. That is what I'm trying to say to them about ama-journeys esihamba kuwo. Ngisho ngathi uPaul zoba nekembe izogcwila. Kodwa uNkulunkulu ukhona nala. God is love, bazalwane. Thank you so much. And so we're in the second section.